Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Bonner Street, Haque. Now take your textbook in your hand. Open page number 57. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students on the based on creative question and answer, and we will solve it from chapter 6, and this today's topic is second CQ, and let's start our class. Dear students, this is our second question and this is 13th class of annual term. Let's start the question. With the help of the diagram given below, answer the questions. Look, this is our stem of the CQ. This part is indicated as A, this part is indicated as C, this part is indicated as F, and this total part is indicated as E. Look, students, we can recognize this. This is our auditory sensory organ. That means this is our ear, and we know ear has three parts. This is the outer ear, and this part is pinna, and this part is eardrum, and this is the middle ear, and this part is internal ear. Now come to our question. What do you mean by auditory sensory organs? And the second question is, what would happen in absence of A? The third question is, what is the function of E? And the last question is, what are the importance of C and F? Now we will discuss about the answer of these questions. The first question was what do you mean by auditory sensory organ? The answer of the question is the sensory organ through which we hear is called auditory sensory organ. The second question was, what would happen in absence of A? Dear students, come to the question. This part is indicated as A, and we know this part is pinna. This is the part of our outer ear, that means pinna, and from here the sound come to our eardrum, and from through here we can the sound go through the internal ear to our brain, and we can hear the sounds. Then this part is too much important. Now come to the answer. The part A is the pinna of human ear. Its main function is to disperse sound from outside into the ear hole. Sound wave from here passes to the brain through the middle and inner ear. So we would not be able to hear anything without this part. Now come to our third question. Third question was, what is the function of E? The function of E, that means the internal ear, that E part is indicate. Look in the picture, the E part is indicate the internal ear. This part is outer ear, this part is mid ear, and this total part is internal ear. Now come to our answer. The part E is the inner ear. It is divided into two parts, an upper utriculus and the lower sacculus. The utriculus part consists of three semicircular canals which help maintain our physical balance. The sacculus part is contained a coil structure, the cochlea, which helps us in hearing. The semicircular canals are provided with fluid and sensory epithelial cells which send nerve impulses to the brain for balancing the cochlea. Dear students, that spelling will be C-O-C-H-L-E-A. Cochlea is a coiled form of an organ known as organ of Corti. It is filled with a fluid and contains sensory epithelial cells. The cells receive vibration sends nerve impulse to the brain for hearing. Now come to our last question. Last question was, what are the importance of C and F? In the picture, come to the picture. Here the C indicates as eardrum. This is the part, eardrum is the last part of our outer ear, and F is the mid ear. It contains three bones, three small bones, and eardrum is too much important for our hearing. Now come to the answer. The C part is the eardrum, which is situated along with the middle ear and any sound wave it receives. It is the last part of the external ear. If somehow it is ruptured, the person turns totally deaf, as nothing can be heard without it. The F part is the middle ear. It is situated in between of external and inner ear. It is a sac-like structure filled with air and provides with three small bones known as ear ossicles. They are malleus, incus and stapes. With the help of these bones, sound vibration from the eardrum reaches the inner ear and from there to the brain through nerves. There are also a tube connected to this part of ear known as Eustachian tubule. It maintains ear balance in the middle ear by releasing and receiving extra air from the pharynx. Dear students, our question answer is finished. You can also follow your textbook and you can write the answer by yourselves also. And this one is your homework, SW number 10 for your annual term, and you have to do homework from this CQ, C and D, and you have to submit on Sunday. That means this C and D is your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me, and I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, read the chapter properly and learn all the question answers. Take preparation for your annual term examination and do all the SW and submit regularly, because you will get CT, diary and SBA marks on the basis on your performance of SW. Abide by your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. See you again.